In Germany, 30% of the total provided energy is used for heating buildings. Therefore, a significant portion is lost without use. The energy escapes through poorly insulated walls, unsealed windows and roofs. The building blocks for the energy transition have been developed at the Energie Campus Nürnberg. We are already creating the thermal insulation material of the future today. Innovative insulation materials, such as fumed silica, which is integrated into building wall components, create an isolated shell that nevertheless breathes. Thermal insulation can be improved 10 to 35% through the use of inflammable filler materials or internal thermal coatings of building bricks. Our solar protection provides comfortable climatic conditions in direct sunlight. Sunlight is allowed through, but not heat. Building shells can produce energy with our organic solar modules. The transparent modules are versatile in shape and color and can be integrated in facades and windows as design elements. If needed, the excess electricity can be held in energy storage devices. In this manner, energy can be generated during the day and used at night. The majority of inefficient energy use is caused by poorly integrated heating and cooling generators. Over 30% of operating expenses could be saved here. We connect real technologies with virtual buildings to optimize heating and climate control systems. Our technologies have already been applied and tested in residential buildings. In order to more effectively control energy use, long-term monitoring is executed to determine optimal working and living environments for the user. With the help of data, energy use of existing building stock can also be improved. Our algorithms automatically link all building data to a building information model. The statistical analysis reveals possible weaknesses and potentials to optimize, such as simultaneous heating and ventilation. In the future, we want to spatially visualize the data. Potential failures and necessary maintenance can be handled in the office. Our priority is the well-being of the residents. Our comfort sensor responds similarly as human skin. It recognizes air temperature and circulation, radiation temperature and humidity. Therefore, building climate control can be more efficiently managed. We regard the building as a whole, from the outer shell to the technical equipment. Our goal is efficient buildings with a customized, comfortable climate, all for your residents and users. Together, we are optimally positioned. We belong to the Research Department Efficiency at the Energie Campus Nürnberg.